Hello all! When we were heading to the Glass Beach in Fort Bragg, California, we were warned about potential disappointment. Well, let me tell you right away, we were not disappointed. Nevertheless, the place left a dual impression. It was beautiful at first glance. Light coming through the rounded pieces of colorful glass is magical, and there were plenty of glass pebbles on the beach mixed with pebbles of other types. Obviously, coming during a low tide is important to see the maximum concentration of glass, or even to be able to get down to the beach. Yet, a closer examination revealed additional details, such as conglomerates, where the glass shards were mixed with ceramic or metal pieces of junk fused together. Obviously, such assemblages were the actual source of the glass on the beach. Indeed, the place was the dump site approximately 100 years ago. Local folks were getting rid of all kinds of trash here, including old cars. This fact affected the feeling of wonder a bit, but also prompted me to think about the impact of humans on how modern-day Earth looks like. We usually marvel either at purely natural and untouched places, or very artificial ones created by humans, such as buildings or city squares. However, rugged natural beauty will never be able to blend into safe for human environment, and the only thing we can do is to let more benign natural elements into our habitat. To me, this means that we definitely have to preserve wild places, or they will disappear forever. Thanks for watching, stay safe on your trails, and good luck!